Welcome back, folks. Check it out. This one just came in and we're excited to show it. It's a really, really nice lower mileage 4x4 with the optional sky roof. This is a 2012 Jeep Liberty Sport, 60,000 original miles, 2-owner car. Absolutely brand new, folks. Traded into a Chevrolet dealer. This truck has never been smoked in. The paintwork is like brand new. Interior's like new. Sports a big old sky roof, 4x4, leather wrapped steering wheel, auxiliary line in. Dynamite car, folks. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect on this Jeep. And you're looking at a $1,295 starting down payment. That's correct, $1,295 starting down payment, 2 current paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, 1 hour of your time. Check it out. Come on down, take her for a ride. Best cash prices in town. Let's take another look at this truck. There is no rust on this truck anywhere. I've looked it over twice. I'm videoing it for you, and I can't find a speck of rust. The top works perfectly. This car is just all there. And it's available now at DasCleveland.com. Come on down, check it out, take it for a ride. Remember, this is a $1,295 starting down payment with 60,000 miles and no good credit required. Come on down, folks, DasCleveland.com.